EZGO is on a run of 4 straight days of gains from Thursday, the 7th of August, up till yesterday, the 12th. Don't be fooled by this run. You just have to be really careful with this stock. Has a very low float and it's also highly volatile. As you can clearly see here, you can see this spike and then rejection. And then we have a stint stand right now. Upper projections, or rather, strength is expected to remain in place up till Thursday, the 14th. After that, we may get into a plunge. Ultimately, after that, we may have a distributive, so an accommodative contraction that may, if you like, may culminate, or rather, might end by the 12th of September. This is an extrapolation that goes all the way towards the next 1 month. There's absolutely no guarantee that this will pan out like this. The margin of error is also very high. A lot can happen between now and then, a lot. But in terms of projections, let's see what we have. We have downward projections for the rather upper projections, rather, nothing to the downside. We have 0.5361, 0.4287 currently in play right now. That's as of yesterday, the 12th. But I believe we may have, but okay, let's see now. Let's just have a look and see if there are more ambitious projections there. It seems that we should have more ambitious projections. Such a volatile stock can always print really ambitious projections. Can print very high prices, but at the same time it will always fizzle out. It attracts aggression, and if they go aggressively in, they will also go aggressively out. So we have some downward projections, 0.0633, not in play at the moment, but still relevant. 0.1104, 0.1865, and upper projections again 0.3852, 0.4177, 0.4378. Let's see, we may even have more, even higher prices here. 0.5151, 0.55970, 0.6476. All of these are on its daily charts. We may even see different prices on the 4-hour chart. So as things stand right now, the price pressure momentum is indicating that the stock, even though it's been showing a lot of strength since the last 4 trading sessions, it is still not out of the woods yet. It's still not out of the woods yet. The 10-day moving average and the 21-day moving averages, they are not. They're still very much bearish, even though they are, the prices, they are looking like they are inclining bullishly upwards. And indeed, also the price, you can clearly see it's inclining bullishly upwards, but technically still very much in the woods. There's no the chance of it reversing this trend that it has printed is quite high. And I guess that explains why we have a rejection expected to play out on Thursday the 14th, and then the downtrend will be maintained. It's just a cycle in the consolidation, if you like, a consolidation of the volatile events that occurred as of the 1st of August. That's probably what it's trying to indicate. Unless you know how to play it, it's up to you. So let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, we have, let's see what we have. Okay, 0.5206, 0.6677, 0.8082, 0.8949. Those are the projections. And then we have a distributive contraction expected to play out here. Here, there's a good chance we might see, okay, yeah, here the buying pressure is positive. The 10-period moving average is strongly bullish. However, it has negative derivatives. Three out of the 4 derivatives of these two moving averages are negative, indicating that even though it has a very robust, it's a very robust bullish trend. or rather trend in a robust trend mode, it does not mean that it's standing on solid ground. So it's good to balance what we have here, what I've just shown you here in terms of its price pressure momentums, and on this 4 hour chart with what is available on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, it's still not out of the woods yet, which is the bigger picture. Here on the 4 hour chart is a more microscopic view of more granular view of what's going on. So here it's magnified. This is more of a trader's picture, a trader's window, whereas the daily chart is much more of a bigger picture. It's the basis, if you like, of the whole thing. Okay, so here it looks great. However, you can clearly see that there are, just as there are robust trend modes on the moving averages, there are also robust gaps. There are robust foundations on the strength that has picked up. So just be really careful with this stock. It is one of those stocks that raw pulls definitely occur. You know, so expect something to happen. So this may not be what it may be about. It's up to you to decide if it's a buying opportunity or not. So just be careful. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.